Hi everyone, I need some help. My breakout board, it seems like it's working okay. I know everything looks like a mess right now. I'm just trying to make sure everything works. Um, my stepper, she's solid right now. Everything's powered on. But it makes a real strange noise when I try turning it. So I'm going to go on Mach 3 and I will turn the motor on. I'll let you hear it. I'm going to put the camera on my phone right here. I can't seem to get this motor to turn. I don't know if I got this hooked up wrong. I have everything unplugged right now. And the way I have this, I have pull plus, C2, pin 2. I have direction plus is the yellow one, and it's going to be on pin 3. And I have I'm not using enable at all. I have direction minus, pull minus, pigtail together, and that's going to common on the board. I double checked everything else. It seems like it's wired correctly. I don't know what else to do. Hope someone else has a suggestion for me. Thank you.